So I believe I'm here online. Yes. So I will start my presentation. Can be, Luis? Okay. So I'm Isaque Alves. I'm from Brazil, and this is my work, Product Engineering for Machine Learning, a great tech to review. So our objective with this work is to collect methods and practices from practitioners' point of view to understand how the market is still implementing machine learning products. So we conduct a greatly tactile review and using a grounded theory approach to identify and collect methods and concepts, creating the table presented in the paper. Apply our search string in Medium and toward data science because they has more posts and discussion related with this machine learned product lifecycle. We select 41 posts and we mapped 58 practices and methods, grouped them into 6 categories: problem definition and solution design, product management, data management, model management, software management, and delivery and runtime. So we observe that adopting agile practice to machine learn workflow is not an issue. But on the other hand, the results suggest that practitioners are currently discussing challenges regarding data maintenance and quality practice. So the most cited were related with data pipeline. The focus on data management category is extremely relevant, indicating that crucial concern for engineers shifting from to data. So our main results is still related with data collection and cleaning, and data collection and maintenance, ensure the reliability and availability of data management, data labeling. So that leads us to our first implication. Machine learning teams require more skilled software engineers because versioning data and data schemes, cleaning, reusing, labeling, and configuring automated pipelines are examples of software engineers' assessment in a project with machine learning modules. But we also note that practitioners face a challenge in adopting traditional software engineers' practices and workflow to machine learning products development because managing the machine learning product workflow requires defining potentially new team roles, adjusting agile practices to incorporate machine learning design, experimental nature, and incorporating machine learning workflows, tools, and environments. And in our coding, feedback loops appear as an agile practice intensified over the development of machine learning systems since the process is more experimental than from traditional software, for example. And that leads us to our second implication. Machine learning product management requires more skilled software managers and engineers because when managers should adapt the process to machine learning products development workflow, engineers must be revisit the data and features and models often because they need to still more focus on the data and these things. So I already finished my presentation. Still in rest 30 minutes, 3 minutes. So is that I will put on the chat my who one wants to see my table, and I can use this time to present in here the table. As I said, already said here. As already said, for you guys, I put this on, and I have a supplementary material explain how I take these and how was my protocol and how I select these posts. And here I have my table. with the methods and practices presenting and collecting with this study separate by the categories and the methods and practices here collected from all these categories. I'm still working with in this work, and I pretend to present more information and more insights for in a new work. So with that, and thank you for.
So I guess Isaac left. I have one question for him, but maybe uh, he's not here anymore. All right, I guess we'll just see each other in the next talk on technical debt. I'll see you everyone soon in 1 minute and a half. All right.